Austin Winters, social media specialist here at the library, and I'm here to get you comfortable with our eBranch services. You can use these services from your phone, tablet, computer, or any other device. All you need is your library card. Our eBranch is also the place to go for audiobooks. You have 3 services to pick from: Overdrive, RB Digital, and Hoopla Digital. Overdrive has our largest audiobook selection with the most in-demand titles. Hoopla Digital is great for finding hidden gems and classics, and there's often no wait. RB Digital has some exclusive titles, like Nora Roberts and Diana Gabaldon. They're all offered for free with a Cincy library card, so you can be sure to find the audiobook you're looking for. Visit cincinnatilibrary.org/eBranch now to begin. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below.